Hi, my name is Lavina from EON Reality, and today we're going to be building a metaverse builder using EON's AI Assistant. Now I'm going to start off by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right, and then I'm going to click on Metaverse Builder, and then it's going to first ask me to where I want to place my avatar guide. So I'm going to click on right there. So the avatar is going to appear immediately.
Hi. What would you like to do? Create AI-generated show and teller experiences in the virtual world. Explore AI guidance and assistance in real world. Library, categorization, pre-built content, marketplace, and profile settings.
I'm gonna click on create. Alright.
Please choose from the following segments or use the microphone to provide a topic of your choice.
So I can either choose from education or enterprise. I'm going to go with education. And then under education, I'm going to see a bunch of different categories. There's agriculture, construction, hospitality, tourism. There's a lot of categories. So maybe let's say I'd be interested in anatomy. Let's see, there's nervous system, muscular system. All right, let's try cardiovascular system. Then I'm gonna click next. Okay.
You've selected the topic cardiovascular system from the education segment. Do you want to learn about the main components or a procedure of the chosen topic?
I think I'm gonna go with main components. Oh, nice.
The cardiovascular system is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body.
Now this is showing me a picture of what the cardiovascular system in a human body might actually look like. Oh, there's something else. Alright, I can click.
The heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood through the body every day, which is equivalent to the amount of water in a small swimming pool.
So I could either click on the video for it to play back what is written, or the AI would have done it as well. There's also a video, right?
Here is a video related to cardiovascular system.
Oh, nice. So I can see it created a picture, some content just describing what a cardiovascular system
Please select the
is.
keywords you wish to use.
And also
You may choose more than one.
Alright, so let me just click this video first to see what comes up. So the video says overview of the cardiovascular system. Alright.
The cardiovascular system is part of the circulatory system that circulates blood. The circulatory system also includes the lymphatic system, which circulates lymph, but the terms circulatory system and cardiovascular system are commonly used interchangeably.
Alright, so there's a video over there. Nice, let's continue. Now it's saying that I should select keywords that I wish to use. Let me select both and click next. So
A 3D object allows us to explore this subject further.
Alright.
If there is no suitable 3D model, you can choose a 2D image instead.
Alright, I'm going to click on images and see what comes up. Okay. Alright, let's try maybe the first option. Okay, it's saying I should point towards a level surface. Again, let's point to the ground. So it's going to start downloading. Oh, that was fast. So it quickly generated.
Select which show and tell presentation you want to watch.
Right. So I'm seeing there's a couple of annotations that are relevant to the cardiovascular system over here. Can maybe enlarge it a bit. So I have two options. I can either click on each of the objects, let's say the heart, and then I'm able to see there's a video over there, there's some content, or we can go through the lesson using the AI assistant. So here where it says select which show and tell presentation you want to watch, I can maybe ask them to go through the parts. Let's see.
Here are some of the main components: heart, pumps blood, blood vessels, transport blood, arteries, Carry oxygenated blood. Veins. Carry deoxygenated blood.
Okay, for the sake of time, I won't go through the whole thing, but
what would you like to do next?
Alright.
Do you want to try out some assessments, explore components in more detail, or
Okay.
see a list of suggested questions?
As you can
Ask
see,
me anything anytime by tapping the microphone button.
As you can see, the AI is very interactive, and let's say I'd be interested in the red blood cells, and there's a video over there. Like I said, you can also just engage in the video. If I click play, I can also expand the video and view it in a larger screen. So it's going to load, and then just
Hi there! Can you guess what I am? I'll give you a hint. I have a very important job.
Alright, so that's how you interact with the basic functionalities of your assets. Why not maybe try some assessments? So automatically the system
Here are the generated assessments for this subject.
Assessment. Yes, so I can click on one of that, and I can click on Start Challenge.
Start quiz challenge?
Yes. So it says,
What is the main organ of the cardiovascular system?
let's say heart. Yes, so I can be able to return. So I got that one right, but you might be wondering, can we actually create our own assessments? And the answer is yes. And using this plus icon at the bottom, I can be able to click on the quiz option and see what are some of the assessments that have been created. But alternatively, I can click on the quiz section and do the plus icon and create my own quiz as well. So that's also an option. I can also create an identify section. So maybe I click on a section of this particular object, and I say I want people to be able to identify where the heart is, where the ribs are. I can be able to do that. So you can be able to do that as well. I can call this identify, and I can say the heart. Then I click done. No, I don't want to delete it. I want to save it. Good. I can also ask them to locate a particular object as well. I can also have a 3D recording. Like I said, it's a very interactive session. So when I come back here at the bottom left in the AI section and I click on options and I click on assessments, I'm able to see this identify one.
Here are the
to have and so on and so forth. All right. So once I finish my lesson, I can either save it private or public, and let's say click on private, and then I hit save and exit. So now the lesson is being completed. Just a few seconds, all right. And then we are now able to see that the lesson that was created is right here. And so when you come here to composition, you're able to see what are all of the functionalities and the knowledge portals that we included. So there's 10 audios, 10 videos, 7 images, 1 identify, 1 quiz, and you can keep adding as much as you want. And one exciting option here is the AI report. I can click on view the AI report. It's able to show me what's in my knowledge portal, all the images, the text, the videos, and there are links as well. So this is very useful, especially for a teacher that has created this lesson. They're able to see what is all the content that has been included in a particular lesson, and even for their reference as well. So that's it, and thank you so much. And now we're going to go back to our metaverse builder, but this time we're trying to explore the content. Now we're going to start off by placing our avatar guide and to place them right there. All right.
Hi. What would you like to do?
This time I click on explore. Now it's going to detect where I currently am.
Welcome to Kimaranko, a bustling neighborhood in Kigali City. Did you know that it's home to one of the largest markets in Rwanda, where you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts?
That's right.
Please start by setting up a persistent anchor.
Alright, let's maybe place it right here. Okay, so move around the anchor and point until the red bars turn to green. So I'm just going to go around it until everywhere turns green. Alright, now it's processing. Good. Take a picture of the location, yes. Alright. Now that's done. Let's try and maybe explore what we have currently in this environment.
Let's add a real-world annotation. This will be one of the topics of this experience.
Okay, so I can take a picture of something that I have around me. Let's try my laptop. Just tilt the camera and take a picture. Alright. So now the AI is trying to search the internet and look for something similar to what I've taken a picture of. So that's what it's saying here on the right, the visual match result. Okay, so it shows me a couple of MacBook pictures. The laptop is indeed a MacBook, so it's trying to search the internet for pictures that people have uploaded, videos, reviews, and so on. So I can just click on any of them and let's see what's going to come up. So let's see. Maybe click on this Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. It's the closest to what we have. So here on the left, it's asking me to remove any words that I don't want included. So I'm not interested in the year or where it was bought or this EON 502, just Apple MacBook Pro in general. So I'm gonna click next. So again, now the AI also is going to automatically generate the content. That's why we're seeing the please wait icon at the top. It's searching for suitable knowledge portals to include, and once it's ready, I'm going to be able to see what comes up. Okay, so it came up with a description right here about the Apple MacBook Pro, powerful laptop with a sleek design and advanced features. All right, that's a good start. All right, so there's also a picture that came up.
The Apple MacBook Pro is a powerful laptop with a sleek design and advanced features.
Okay, so right here it's showing me a picture of another Apple MacBook Pro, just something as close as it could find the original one. Oh, there's also content right here.
The MacBook Pro's trackpad is so large that it's actually bigger than the screen of the original iPhone.
Oh, I didn't actually know that. Oh, there's a video too.
Here is a video related to Apple MacBook Pro.
Let's try and click play, see what comes up.
When you are done exploring the knowledge portal, press continue.
Alright. So our video is also going to be here. Let's see what's going to come up. Oh, it's actually a bunch of YouTube reviews about the Apple MacBook Pro. I'm seeing some familiar faces over here. So if you click on this particular video, if you're interested in watching, you can be able to definitely watch that as well. So let's see what happens when we click continue. Okay, so it generates a couple of annotations regarding the MacBook that we had selected. So there's the Retina display.
Here are some of the main components. Retina display.
Okay.
High resolution display. Touch bar. Interactive touch bar. Force touch trackpad. Pressure sensitive trackpad. Processor. High performance processor. Graphics. High-performance graphics. Battery life. Long-lasting battery. Storage. High-capacity storage. Connectivity. Multiple ports and wireless. Security. Secure login and encryption. Software. Pre-installed software.
Well, that's nice. So it actually went through the lesson with me to try and find out.
Would you like to add another
some of
annotation?
The annotations that are currently there, and it's asking me if I'd like to add another annotation. So far, I feel like that's it. So I'm gonna click on no. But again, if I also want to just explore this in great detail,
I'm
let's
your
say
AI guide.
I'm interested.
You can ask me
in
anything.
the battery life, for example. So I can be able to click on that. There's a picture about battery life, but there's also a video about battery life. I can put it on full screen and click play, and the video is going to play. And maybe it's probably a review of some people, how they've tested the different laptops and seen how the battery life is. So essentially, that's it in a nutshell. I was able to set my persistent anchor, pick an object in my environment, and the AI was be able to be smart enough to generate content that is relevant to what I was interested in. Thank you so much, and I'm going to just save this, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And again, the Explore also has the same content afterwards. There's the composition that includes everything that we explored. There's also the AI report as well that was generated. And the cool thing this time is that there's actually an anchor location, which is the exact location that I recorded this video from. Thank you so much.